Hi, this is Dr. Seckin from Istanbul. I will give some information about our rhinoplastic process for you. I will see my all patients their arriving day in my clinic, and I will do their endoscopic examinations and picture simulations. We will talk with my patients with these pictures, our operation goals very detailedly, and then if me and my patients agree with these procedures, my team will take my patients' blood tests and anesthesia consultations in my operation hospital. All this we will organize at our patient's arriving day, and one day later we can plan my patient's surgery. This is average 3 or 3.5 hour surgery with general anesthesia. After the procedures, my patients will stay in the operation hospital one night, and after operation day I will discharge my patients, and even at their discharge day my patients will be totally flexible and free. If they want, they can go and visit everywhere in Istanbul like a normally international tourist. Of course, after the surgery, some swellings is normally, but this is a painless surgery, and my almost all patients do not need to use any painkillers even at their discharge day. They feel themselves very comfortable at these periods, and totally 7 days arriving and departure day distance for this process would be enough, and thanks for your interests.